Okay, so another question on reversing the limit. Again, we will read from the question. The solution here is, so y, the limit for y, if we can see from the interior limits, 0 less than y less than square root of a square minus x square, and the outer limit, that is dx, is varying from 0 to a. Alright, so we will try to plot this. So this means that this region is between the line y equal to 0 and y equal to square root a square minus x square, or in short, y square equal to a square minus x square, or the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Okay, so that means we have to draw some circle. So how does our circle look like? Something with radius a. Okay, and this is the positive part, uh, that is, we can say a square minus x square, and this will be the negative part. Alright, so our y is from where? Y is from 0, that is y equal to 0, and y is, sorry, this is y equal to 0, and y is the upper region. That means everything between this line and this curve. Then the second limit is 0 less than x less than or equal to a. That means x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a are the two lines we have to consider. So this line is x is equal to a, and this line is, sorry, x is equal to 0, and this is x is equal to a. So we are considering everything between these two lines. That means this line, and this line, and this curve. So we can see that the common region is nothing but this. Also, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. So we have to consider the first quadrant. So therefore, our region of integration is actually just the first quadrant. Alright, so let's try to evaluate the limit. So our region is the first quadrant, that is x is equal to 0, x is equal to a. Originally from the question, the interior is dy. That means the old strip will be parallel to y-axis. Okay, so we have to consider the new one, which is just perpendicular to this. So this is our new strip. Alright, so now we can see this new strip is varying from the y. If we see, the lower end of the strip is on the line x is equal to 0, and the upper end is on the line y is equal to, we can say that x is equal to square root a square minus y square, because all x are positive, so we will take the positive square root. Alright, so our limit is 0 less than x less than or equal to square root a square minus y square, because the lower end of the strip is on the line x is equal to 0, and the upper end of the strip is on the line, on the curve x is equal to a square minus y square. Alright, and this strip will move up and down. That means on y axis it will vary from 0 to a. We can see that. So our y limit will be from 0 to a. Clear? So therefore, our given question, that is, we can see 0 to a and 0 to square root a square minus x square, and that is a square minus y square raised to 3 by 2 dy dx will now become equal to 0 to a, 0 to square root of a square minus y square, a square minus y square raised to 3 by 2, and we are exchanging the limit, so it will be now dx dy. Okay, so this is a variable y and integration with respect to x, so this will be treated as a constant, so this will reduce to 0 to a square minus y square raised to 3 by 2, integration 0 to square root of a square minus y square dy and dx. Alright, so if we evaluate this integration, it will be nothing but 0 to a square minus y square raised to 3 by 2, and this will become a square minus y square raised to 1 by 2 dx. Okay, because this integration will be y, and upper limit minus lower limit will give us this. So adding the powers, finally we are reduced to 0 to a square minus y square, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2. So this will be 2 dy. Okay, sorry, this was dx, this will be dy, this will be dy, this will be dy, and that is nothing but, if we expand this, so that will be a raised to 4 minus 2 a square y square minus y raised to 4 dy, and this is integration with respect to y. So therefore we can easily get this is equal to integration, if we take, that will be a raised to 4y minus 2 a square y cube minus y raised to 5 by 5, 0 to a. And now putting upper limit minus lower limit, so this will be a raised to 5 minus 2 a raised to 5 by 3 minus a raised to 5 by 5. So it will be plus plus plus, and doing some LCM and all, the answer is pretty simple. Okay, so we can evaluate it easily. Thank you.